How's everybody doing today? We're going to be working on restoring a boat, so let's go and check it out. Alright, so we've already pulled all the interior padding out. This is all rotted wood. A lot of screws. We'll come in here and clean this up, getting all this ready to wash it, strip it, and basically polish this thing up. The floors were redone. The customer I got it from, they redid the floors a couple years ago, and she wants to say she spent $3,000 redoing the floors. So I mean, that's a win on this one. It's got a 5.7 liter, I want to say V8 out inboard with a stainless prop on it, and lots of wood in here. There's an original T piece that is on the ground right there, and you see it right there. And it used to go right here in the center of the floor. It was a design in there, and you know, we might cut that out and put it back in after I make it look super fancy. That might be something. But yeah, let's get it started. So check this out. Alright, so I just got done washing the boat and basically getting it ready to lay down some Shine Supply heavy cut on a wool pad with my dewalt. So kind of hit it in one little area, didn't spend a whole lot of time on it, but let's check out the results. So you can kind of already see it's just super reflective, super stuff's coming out. And then this is back into where you're just in the regular boat area. Regular boat, back into the thick area. Oof. Do is I'll just probably, you know, take my Shine Supply and shake it up, and then first off I use a rotary tool to clean this thing, and I'll kind of show you guys, but that's the principle. You just clean all your debris out, you know, and then you'll add some more product on, and it really just depends on the area you're trying to do or whatever. So you kind of just will do your area. Let's go back to this area. Let's work it back over, because I know it don't look as good as your other areas. So I'll kind of blend that around, and the premises is I'm not gonna hold it flat on here. You can, but I'll hold it at an angle, and I'll move my same way, you know. And you can do your same patterns, but with the boat I kind of just do whatever I want and finish it off. You know, it's just start at 1600, go up to 2200. I mean, you can go up to 3500. I mean, it really just depends on skill level of the operator of the dewalt. So you can see we've done top bottom right there, and we're back over into this area. Just that's the before, and then Shine Supply 2200 wool pad dewalt 850. We got our canopy out over us because the sun, you know, it's out. So I kind of want to show you underneath. So as you can see, it's terrible underneath. This thing's been washed. I sprayed some stuff on it, and I just come through here with that Shine Supply with that freaking wool pad. Crazy, man, crazy. Terrible, crazy. So what I'll do here is I'll get my pad, clean up my pad, and let it stop spinning. Hit with some Shine Supply. Just any heavy cut that's made for, you know, gel coat boats. You can see all through here, and I got it on 1800 right now, but I'll kind of just walk the polish around because, you know, I don't want to shooting that less swing and just polish around. And then kind of just on that side, you know, lean to one side. Just touch that stuff right away and just at a point where I'm doing the windows on this boat and around, and you can see I used Pearl Nano water spot remover. Crystal clear, dude. I'm gonna ceramic coat these too with nano glass, but that's all the water spots. You can see them. Just don't come off, man, you know. And crystal clear, dirty. We just finished the boat up, so I'm basically gonna give y'all a shot look at it. She goes. I mean, it's super night and day difference. All up underneath pulling up like a boss clean. Just super flaky everywhere.